Need to fix a wheel on your Traeger Ironwood 885? On this grill, the wheel comes attached to its leg, so you replace the whole front leg assembly, caster and all. If your grill wobbles, leans, or a caster has seized up, this is the fix. About 30 minutes with some basic hand tools. Let's get into it. Step 1. The Ironwood stands on 4 legs, and the front legs are the ones that carry a wheel. Traeger uses 2 kinds on this line: locking caster legs with a small swiveling wheel and a brake, and all-terrain wheel legs with a bigger fixed wheel. On both of them, the wheel is part of the leg. Step 2. Before you order, look at what your grill actually has. A caster is a small wheel that swivels and usually has a brake tab you step on. An all-terrain wheel is larger and fixed straight ahead. Match the new leg to the one you are replacing and do not go by wheel size alone. Step 3. This grill is heavy, so work smart. Let it cool, switch it off, and unplug it. Then, brace the grill so it cannot tip, and take the weight off the leg you're about to remove, either by tilting it back onto its other legs or blocking it up. Step 4. The leg bolts to the grill's frame with a few bolts. With the weight off it, back those bolts out and lift the old leg and its wheel away as one piece. Keep the bolts together. Step 5. Line the new leg up in the same spot, start its bolts by hand so you do not cross-thread them, and then tighten them down firmly. If your leg has a caster with a brake, make sure the brake still flips up and down freely. Step 6. Lower the grill back down onto all 4 legs. Give it a gentle push to make sure the new wheel rolls, and if it is a caster, step the brake down and confirm it holds the grill still. Now, let's make sure it's working. Check for 4 things. The wheel rolls freely when you push the grill. If it is a caster, the brake locks, and the grill will not roll. The grill sits level with no rock or wobble, and the leg bolts stay tight when you lean on it. Pass all of these, and this repair is finished. 2 quick things before you go. First, which leg do you need? Look at your grill, not the size. If it swivels and has a brake, it is a caster leg. If it is a bigger fixed wheel, it is an all-terrain wheel leg. And second, can you just replace the wheel? On the Ironwood, the wheel is built into the leg, so you swap the whole leg assembly, and that is what the part is. Before you go, 2 ways to keep your grill rolling. First, keep the wheel and the caster clean, and work the brake now and then. Grit and old grease are what sees a caster up. And second, every so often, check that the leg bolts are still snug. A grill on a patio vibrates every time it runs, and that is what works bolts loose over time. That's it. Everything we used is linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.